Hello guys, right now I'll show you the Unit H 41.5 square meter studio unit here in Uptown Arts Residence. So pagpasok natin, you will be greeted by the smart lock features of Uptown Arts Residence. Then sobrang luwag pa ng space dito. Pwede nyo pang lagyan ng cabinets here. And this one is the smart switches by HDL. So part siya ng deliverables na i-turn over sa inyo ni MegaWorld. So once na you have a unit here, you will have all of these deliverables na makikita nyo sa video na to. So dito, we have video intercom. So pag may mga orders kayo and you have to connect sa lobby, so ito yung gagamitin natin. And so Android pa yan, no? So Android yung ano niya. Yan. So here, we have kitchen here. So, enclosed kitchen siya. Compared sa mga previous project din namin, yung usually the kitchen is nandito siya. So, pag natutulog ka doon, may bed ka doon, matatanaw mo dito yung kitchen mo. But here in Uptown Arts Residence, the studio unit is very different. So, enclosed kitchen siya. So, hindi siya masyadong messy tignan if from the bed. So, dito nakatago siya. So, you have 2 slots of induction cooktop and you have your range hood, Gournier by Oraito. Itong mga brand dito sa kitchen natin is European brand. Mostly is European brand. So, the cabinets are Hopper. So, made by Hopper. The brand is Hopper. And soft close na siya. So, kung nakita nyo naman, so try natin dito if soft close din to. Yan. So, meron siya ditong parang rubber na buwabangga. So, ganyan yung Uptown Arts Residence. Then the kitchen sink and faucet is by Frank. So, yan natin. Wala pa. Pag gumagana, so ito is retractable faucet. So, balik natin. So, the units here, meron din siyang mga storage sa taas. Yan. Yung sa taas, mga provision yan or dyan yung pwedeng ilagay yung mga internet-related or mga for the internet. So, yan. So, this is the studio unit. Then, part of the deliverables is the 2-door na Gournier by Oraito na retro fridge. So, yan siya. Sobrang brand niya. Sobrang ganda ng quality. Eh, kung mapapansin nyo, the studio unit is high ceiling siya. So, napakataas ng ceiling. Pwede ka nga maglagay ng chandelier dyan, no? Then, another smart switches. And, let's go to the bathroom. So, the bathroom is also fully furnished. So, wala ka nang idadagdag dito eh. Ikaw nang bahala kung may mga gusto ka pang ilagay. Pero, it is complete na. So, compared sa previous project namin, ito rin yung pinakakaiba. Itong drawer na white wood finish. So, ito siya. And the lavatory is Villeroy & Boch. So, Villeroy & Boch ang brand niya. Yung faucet and lavatory natin, the toilet and bath. May kasama na siyang bidet. So, sobrang ganda ng Uptown Arts Residence. So, compared talaga sa previous projects namin, sobrang upgraded na ng mga deliverables ng mga bagong projects ni MegaWorld. Starting here from Uptown Arts Residence. So, kasama tong retractable shower and range hood shower. So, range shower. So, meron na siyang range shower. So, yan. So, kasama na tong mirror panel sa deliverables. And pagpasok nyo, itong light na to is motion sensor light. Then, meron tayo ditong saksakan. So, dyan natin ilalagay yung mga other appliances natin. So, dito may mga saksakan pa. Meron for internet. And the windows of this unit is from floor to ceiling. So, yan. So, part ng deliverables once na ma-turn over sa inyo ang Uptown Arts Residence is the closet. A closet is very elegant and may kasama na siyang mirror. So, yan. Napakaganda. So, let's check this one. May mga drawers pa kayo dito. Soft close. And may mga saksakan pa kayo dyan. And here. So, dito, let's check. What is this? Another smart switches. So, tignan natin yung balcony ng studio unit. So, the studio unit, ganito kaluwag yung kanyang balcony. So, 1, 1, 2, 3. So, I think 4 tiles. Dito. So, this is yung sa aircon, condenser ng aircon. So, this is the view. So, kaharap nyo lang dito is the JP Morgan. Then, pag tumingon kayo bandang kanan, is the Uptown Parade, Uptown Mall, and the AGI, the head office of Mega World here in the Philippines. And dito. So, ganyan. So, the windows here in the balcony. One way siya na window. So, kasama na sa turnover is the aircon na split type aircon na Daikin. So guys, kung naghahanap kayo ng mga pre-selling na condo unit na to be turned over by next year or by 2026, ito 2025 or 2026, please comment or message me directly para masendan ko kayo ng mga details. So, as of now, this is no down payment promo. So, by September 2025, start ng turnover niya from the lower floor up to the highest floor of this unit. So guys, you can inquire na as soon as possible para makuha nyo yung mga no down payments namin, ma-secure nyo yung unit na available here in Uptown Arts Residence. Thank you guys. Bye.